The Elohim, the Galactic Council. Think of a group of the wisest people you know or have ever heard about, who live in their hearts and are full of compassion. Then you pretty much have the Elohim. They are not physical beings, they are the Council of Light. They exist in the 11th dimension. Our Earth is in the 5th dimension. We can't see them, but they have the role of guiding what happens on a galactic level, and that includes Earth. They are a bit like the bosses of a company, but their company is the universe. They are not restricted by time or space. Every decision they make, they can time travel forward to see how it plays out, and time travel backwards to see what happens in the past, and how their decisions then impact what happened in the past. However, time for them has a different meaning to time for us. Time for them is cyclical rather than linear. When you work on yourself energetically, you not only impact what happens to you now, but you then are clearing the path for 7 generations in front and 7 generations behind. That is because you are a human being who has genetically imprinted DNA. A single strand of DNA can stretch to Mars and back. Just think how much information is encoded into that one strand. So when you change yourself, you change that patterning from the past and for the future. We as humans can, and it has been scientifically proven, can change our DNA. This is what the crystal children are doing. They are triggering the adults around them to think differently, to question themselves, and are helping you to clear outdated behaviors, patternings, and beliefs. The Elohim are like the board of directors. They implement their universal plans for the greater good of everything and everyone. They are working on a macrocosmic level. And if you like, the crystal children are their little Elohims, working here on Earth as a little light team, working on the microcosmic level, but impacting everything here in our reality.